This Century 21 Olympian property video is presented by Luis Medina. Beautiful 3-bedroom home now available in Mission Bend. Home features a high ceiling and a huge open floor plan. This home has just been remodeled features and it is amazing. Home has high ceilings in living room, kitchen and dining area. Home features plenty huge windows throughout the house for plenty of natural light. The master bedroom is spacious and features a walk-in closet, a spacious bathroom with a large tub. This home is absolutely stunning as great care was taken during the remodel. The home is located on a large lot and the backyard is completely fenced in. This home is perfectly located in a cul-de-sac which minimizes the traffic and noise. Also it is located with easy access to all the major thoroughfares such as Highway 6, Westpark Tollway, Beechnut, Bellar and Bellfort. Call to schedule a tour. For more information, review the details below or contact Luis Medina at 713-884-0502.